Hairstyles. Today I have Koby with me. His mother is one of my good friends, and anyway, we cut his hair every 3 weeks. To be honest, he could get it cut every 2 weeks because it grows so fast and it's super thick. But we are going to do a crew cut on him, so I wanted to show you with the number 2. Yeah, Koby, something about him, he's just a nice guy. Always helping out his nieces and nephews. Like he is just a nice, helpful guy. Okay, so number 2. You can see I'm just coming up to about this area with the number 2. And then we'll cut the top and then we'll blend the sides to the top. But yeah, this is how much his hair grows in just 3 weeks. And it is super thick too. You doing all right, Koby?
Yeah.
Okay, sweet. Okay. Yeah, so sometimes Koby will do red for his color. Sometimes he'll do blue. Sometimes he likes this color.
This is my favorite color.
Yeah, this is his favorite color. He does love this, and he gets tons of compliments on it. So this one's a fun one. Today, we're not coloring. We're just going to cut, and then you'll be able to see the color that's left on there. Okay, so I just start in the middle, coming up this way. I like to point cut. And then once I go, so you can see I start middle, go right, left, and that's my guide point that I cut, the length. And then I like to come to the back and take that length off. Okay, then I'm going to come forward a little bit. Okay, so you can see I just go middle, and then obviously to your left, it's my right. And then, so you can see this is my guide point, and I'm taking that hair off. And then I'll show you how to check and make sure everything is even. Make sure there's no like long pieces or pieces that we have missed. So you can see I've come forward with the cutting. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to turn him sideways, and we are going to come this way and just make sure everything lines up this way. Okay. All right, so that is checked. Now I like to just pull this forward and then go on an angle, come up a little bit, take off the edges or the bottom of his front area here. That way, if you take your shears and do it on an angle, he's not gonna look like Lloyd on Dumb and Dumber. You know that. Okay, sweet. Now what I'm gonna do, what I do like to do is turn them to the mirror so you can see what you're doing, but I'm gonna show you guys what I do without looking at the mirror for a minute. I'm going to blend. So you come in from this short, go up to this other hair. And you can see that I am going horizontal with the shears, or not the shears, the clippers, sorry. If you are just starting to blend the hair, you're probably going to want to start this way and come up. That way it takes less hair and it's more controlled if you're first starting. So I'm just letting you know, if you're just starting, come up like this, bring your comb straight up, go vertical. I'm gonna come back horizontal. Whoops, sorry, bud.
There.
So you can see that I'm just coming in, making sure that this is blended well through the sides. And this is a blending comb, so just so you know, the thinner the comb is, the easier it is to blend, okay? So now I'm just gonna check him out in the mirror. And this way you can check and see, you know, if anything is sticking out or if it needs to be blended, if there's any lumps or bumps. Okay, then one other way I like to check my corners is take from the top here from where you have blended. Okay, so it's just a tiny, sometimes there isn't any hair there, sometimes there's a tiny, just a little bit. So I just go around. You can see like right there, there's a little corner there. So sometimes people will blend and then not go double check that corner, which looks okay when you leave, but after a couple weeks, it starts growing out a little funny. So if that is the case, just make sure you go back through and double check for that corner. Okay, then we're gonna turn him around. I'm gonna have him put his head down, and then we're just gonna do the neckline. Now, some people, with Koby, I like to round it a tiny bit. It's not super square and it's not really rounded. It's kind of in between. And then of course I'm gonna go up around his ear. So you can see that's a little bit rounded, not super square. And then I'm going around the ear, clean that up nice. Okay, and then what I like to do is texture through the top. So I just come through here, texturizing shears. He loves this part, right? No, sometimes when it catches, he'll be like, whoa, I'm like, sorry, buddy. Yeah. Right? Yeah, I just have to make sure that he's awake because he gets comfortable, right?
Yes, sir. It's relaxing.
Yeah, see? Oh, that's awesome.
Also got to keep the hair out of my eyes.
Yeah, true, true. Okay, I'm just going to kind of dry that a tiny bit. Okay, now we're going to take the gel. This is a flexi gel, flexi hold. So it's not going to be super stiff in his hair, but it's totally going to hold. It's just a little bit. I'm going to rub that in. Just going to do that. Okay, then I'm just going to spray it. Love that, Koby?
Yeah, totally.
Okay, you are awesome. Thank you. Okay, I'm going to turn him around so you guys can see the finished product. Okay, hopefully you guys like that crew cut. Hopefully it helps you at home or in the salon. If you have any questions, let me know. Thank you, Koby, for letting me do this. You're awesome. And I hope you guys have a phenomenal day. Please like, share, and subscribe, and we will chat next time. See ya.